Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix overheating on your Honor 600 Lite 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and close all the background apps. So what are we going to do is we're going to go here. Now these are the apps that are running in the background. Let's close them up, and now our device is in optimal condition. What are we going to do next is we're going to open up settings, and here we're going to scroll down until we see apps. Here we're going to go and click manage apps, and we're going to select the apps that we use on a daily basis. We go to the power usage details. Here we go to launch settings, and we make sure that we manage it manually. So disable manage automatically and disable everything right here. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go to battery usage, and then we're going to filter out all of those apps. So we're going to go here. Now the first one is Fortnite, so let's make sure that this is set up properly. Now let's go over and do the same for Epic Games, so change it like this. Everything has to be gray whenever we click it, so let me go over and do the same for, let's say, not the gallery, but something that we can actually change it on. So let's go over and find the app like this, for example YouTube, but it's already done, so make sure that it's not set up like this. Everything has to be gray. Now next, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and we're going to make sure that we lower our brightness. This is very important because we want to make sure that we are not using automatic brightness too. We should set it up manually to make sure that it's actually lower than normal. And after that, what we can simply do is go over and restart our phone. So let's press the power button and the volume up button, tap restart, and tap again to restart the phone. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is go over and update your software. But before that, we're gonna go to settings. Now go to battery, and in the battery, go over to more battery settings. Here we want to make sure that system optimization says optimized, because this will basically improve our cooling and it will change our thermal improvement. We're going to go over and scroll down until we see system and updates. Here in system and updates, we're going to go to software update. In the software update, it's checking for the version. I'm up to date, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version so you don't have any old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.